ready to see you inside. Thank you. Have a good one. Stay tuned. And it's just a fun.
She tried. Next up, Beaver couldn't swim to the bottom.
An otter, he goes, I can do it. I'm a better swimmer than Beaver.
He tried. Next up, Otter couldn't do it either. Finally, who came forward?
Muskrat!
BT! Boy, you two are good storytellers. That little tiny muskrat. And what did a no you say?
Says, I'll try. I'm not very strong and I'm not very fast, but I'll try.
The little muskrat was gone under the water for a very long time. Longer than you can imagine. No, but there was their little paw surfaces with a mitt full of soil. Muskrat saves the day.
Yeah.
You never know what gifts someone has. Even the smallest of us can help. As we begin our journey, we remember our people, Onride people, have been here since the beginning of time. And here in Niagara, before there were waterfalls, we are still here, still sovereign to this day. What we share with you today is a small part of our knowing of how life began here on Turtle Island. It was Ojita Asoka, the birds who got her as they sought to help us. It was Akmawao, Mother Sea Turtle, who helped her. It was humble little muskrat, Anohi, who swam down to the bottom of the ocean to bring back some earth. And it was Sky Woman who held those seeds from Sky World and planted them right here.
Consumed by the pursuit of profit and power, we almost lost ourselves here. But wait, let's start at the beginning. Born in the shadow of retreating glaciers, the falls have been carving their way upstream, shaping the land, shaping life itself. Indigenous people have lived here since that beginning, honoring the life this place brings. When the first Europeans laid their eyes on the falls, they too saw a gift from nature, too powerful to ignore. And with each story shared, more people came.
She's the grandest wonder of the New World.
The Treaty of Niagara promised to protect this place, together.
Coexistence and peace, together here.
The War of 1812 put that to the test. Niagara became a battleground, not just for nations, but for the waterfall's future. The backdrop for love stories. A stage for legends. Niagara is still shaping us. These falls are power, energy, and life itself. And now, they're part of your story. Let their spirit lift you as Niagara takes flight.
Can you let me know how many members are in your group and if you have any difficulties with stairs, please? Thank you.
Okay, so we've been through the first two pre-shows. Now we're kind of in this waiting room here.
So scared.
We got our flight numbers.
I'm so scared.
So scared.
Hello and welcome aboard our transporter. It'll take us to our flight launch area. You all ready? Here we go. Now you might ask, why are we going down rather than up? I did too. I learned that over a century ago, engineers carved a maze of underground tunnels immense force to power hydroelectric generators. You're now reaching a depth at the base of the falls. From here, many of those early tunnels release their water back into the river. But curiosity and the spirit of exploration led to going even deeper. What was discovered was a geological wonder, an enormous cavern with a subterranean river flowing right through it. And work began to harness this hidden force of energy, but was abandoned when new power stations made those dreams obsolete. Until now. Today, inspired by the very forces shaping Niagara, this underground marvel has been revived, enabling the power of water to fuel our launch technology. So here we are, deeper than the base of the falls. What's ahead? You're about to experience the flight of a lifetime. But before you do, there are a few safety instructions. First, keep it together. Pull the belt from your right and push it into the lit buckle on your left until you hear a click. Between each seat, you'll find a height marker. Anyone below this mark should slide the seatbelt through the safety loop before securing the buckle. Items stored, seatbelt on. Now, you're ready to fly. Welcome to the launch chamber.
So we need like a few minutes. We don't want to split family.
All right, it's about time to fly. You ready? This is gonna be so fun.
Welcome to Niagara Takes Flight.
Oh, it spins.
We're now rotating into our launch chamber. It sinks even deeper than the bottom of the river beneath the Horseshoe Falls. This natural cavern was discovered during tunneling as electric power generation was engineered and first constructed here over a century ago. Niagara has always been a place of power, a source of endless energy. Today, we're harnessing the howling catapult on a soaring adventure. Everyone ready? Let's go see Niagara.
Whoa!